Back everybody, we are in exercise 1.3, question number 2. So we need to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A for the following sets. So as you can see, the first subdivision we are provided with the set A and set B. So as you remember, these are set operation, and in this we are going to find union, intersection and minus. And for minus we find A minus B and B minus A both. So first what we do is we just find the union. So for finding union we just write the set A, set B, and we write this and the representation form, that is A union B. So we are given with A and A union B. Now we will find the value of A union B. So as you know, in union we write all the elements but not the repeated, and repeated elements we write only once. So 2 is being repeated twice, so we write once, and writing in order is a good habit to practice. So 2 is the first number, then we have 5, then 6, then we have 10, then we have 14 and then 16. So this is the answer for A union B. Next we are coming to A intersection B. Now for A intersection B, you can see that we write A set intersection set B. So 2 is there common in both and 14 is there common in both. So it becomes 2 comma 14. So A intersection B is completed. So you can even underline the elements that are common in both. So it is easy for you to write. Then while doing minus, what we do is we write all the elements of A, then minus symbol we write all the elements of B, then we see what are the elements that are common. So as we know, 2 is common in both, 14 is common in both, so whatever left in A we will write an answer. Hence A minus B will be 6 comma 10. And for B minus A, we have to write this set B first minus set A, then we have to underline the common element, and then whatever is left in B, that is in first set, that must be the answer. So the elements that are left are 5 comma 16. So this is the answer for B minus A. Now going back to question number part 2. Now in second question we are given A as small a comma small b comma c comma e comma u. Elements will always be written in small alphabets, and B is equals to A E I O U. They are all in small letters. So it is quite easy task to find the union of it. So as you can see, all the elements of A union all the elements of B. Then we write in order A, B, C, E is there in both but we write once. I, O, U is there in both, we just write once. So while finding A intersection B, what we do? We write all these sets of A, intersection symbol with sets of B, and then we just underline the common elements. It is good habit to practice. You can even practice with pencil. Okay. So it is E and then U is there in both. So A comma E comma U. Right. Now we need to find A minus B. So as you can see, whatever left in A will be the answer. So the first element which is there in both is A, then E, then U, and then the elements that are left in A minus B, C. Whatever left in the first set will be the answer. So B and C is the answer. Next we are coming to B minus A. So you can see B minus A is there in both, E is there in both and U is there in both, and whatever left in the first set. So the first set is B. So the elements that are left are I and O, hence therefore it is I comma O. Now we come to third part of it. A is X such that it is a natural number and X is less than or equal to 10. So if it is equal to B, that means that 10 should be included. And B is equals to X. X is a whole number and X is less than 6. Since there is no equal to sign, and therefore 6 is not included in this. This is how we write set A. A is x such that x is a natural number, x is less than equal to 10. So A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is also included because of the equal to. And as you can see, x is whole number, it starts with 0. So we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is no equal to, so we don't write 6. Now for finding A union B, I have written all the values of A union all the values of B. As you know, all the number from 0 to 10 will be there, and repeated number should be written only once. Next we are coming to A intersection B, all the elements of A intersection all the elements of B, and the common elements are, as you can see, we can underline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 elements are there in both. So we write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, A minus B. As I have been telling, we write A set minus B set. All the common elements we don't write, and leftover elements are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the first set. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the answer. Next we are coming to B minus A. B minus A, we are writing all the elements of B, all the elements of A, and the leftover element in the first set, that is B, is 0. All the others are repeated elements. So now coming back to question number 4. A, set of all the letters in the word mathematics and set of all letters in the word geometry. So the answer starts as set of all the letters in the word mathematics. As you can see, M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. These are the letters. In set B, set of all the letters in the word geometry. So the letters are G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. When we find A and B, we see that. So as we can see in the answer part of it, A set is given, U union B set is given, and we write all the elements. Then we write A intersection B. The set A is given, intersection set B is given. So the common elements we underline, those are M, T, and E. Then we find A minus B. Again we leave the common element, and whatever is left in A should be the answer. Again in B minus A, we write all the elements of B and A, then common element we leave it, and then leftover element in this are the answer for B minus A. Okay, subscribe the channel, share among your friends, and if you have any comments to make, please you can make it comment section. Thank you for watching. Next video we will do question number 3.